Hello everyone and welcome to Success Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the essential things to know about crypto. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. We are going to go over that issue in more depth in this video, so let's get started. If you have no previous experience in the world of cryptocurrency and are wondering to yourself, what is all of that crypto stuff? Then this video is perfect for you. The first step is generating money with cryptocurrency is to begin researching and trading. If you are new to trading, Binance is a good platform to start your trading career on. Taking a financial position on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies in relation to the US dollar or in pairings represented by the notation crypto or dollar. Or another cryptocurrency is known as cryptocurrency trading, or in pairings denoted by the notation crypto to crypto. It's a time-consuming approach to get started, which is why shovels are often easier to sell during gold rushes. If you have no prior experience with trading, you will be required to undertake technical analysis and draw little graphs, axes and lines, among other things. You'll have to do things like technical analysis if you don't know anything about trading. As a result, I would also recommend becoming an affiliate for this exchange since, rather than risking your wealth by day trading. What if you just provided crypto news on a blog or YouTube channel? Because this is a new trend that is rapidly gaining traction among the general public, the competition is quite low. And with the Binance affiliate program, you can make up to 50 commissions every time someone registers for this exchange. This is why I would also advise you to join this exchange as an affiliate. The second way to make money using crypto is to mine Bitcoin. You should just buy little or small rigs to assess how lucrative they are on a daily basis. You get paid $53 per day, $36 per day, and $21 per day respectively. If you collect a large number of them, you may be able to develop a variety of Bitcoin income streams. Mining rigs and equipment will be provided. After you got one, you only need to get a Bitcoin wallet, which is Exodus. I'd be able to be up and running in no time. It's completely free to get started. You may just download Exodus and store your Bitcoin there right now. Isn't this something you'd find in your bank or wallet? In order to utilize these things, you must first join a pool such as a /pool account. Keep an eye on your farm while you're gone to find out about any new difficulties as soon as they develop. Using the statistical data we give, you will be able to validate that your awards are equitable. You may get one by visiting nicehash.com. A good hash miner is a kind of miner that is both lucrative and simple to use. You can find a plethora of examples here and you can start mining Bitcoin right now. You will, however, need to first put up the essential mining equipment. It is difficult to grasp, particularly if you do not want to get acquainted with all of the lingo. It may be a fun pastime if you believe in technology, but it can also be challenging, particularly if you're just trying to earn a lot of money without loving what you're doing. It might be a fun activity if you believe in technology, but it can also be complicated. The third technique is to just put a little money into each investment. Investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is a smart place to begin if you feel that these technologies will be there for a long time. However, this all depends on your assessment of the direction in which the market is moving. People who look like drug dealers were fat, and youngsters as young as 14 and 15 years old obtained millions of dollars through Bitcoin, which seemed absurd in 2017. This has occurred to a large number of individuals. It is feasible that they made a major investment at a previous stage. Granted, some individuals didn't understand they were investing when they were merely attempting to buy and sell dubious products. But they were making money because they had it in their hands when the value was incredibly low and kept it as the value climbed. As the asset's value grew, they were able to benefit. There is a potential that there will still be a chance in 2022. But this depends on whether you feel it will continue to expand and if you believe it has the long-term capacity to attract more and more people to do it. It's not too tough to grasp. Visit Coinbase, connect it to any debit or credit card or even your bank account, and you'll be able to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin with cash anytime you want. All you need to do is go to Coinbase. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The fourth method is to do research and earn money by lending your Bitcoin. It's similar to working as a bank teller. Banks make money by accepting your money and placing it in a modest savings account, but guess what they do while you're not looking? They will take your money and invest it for you, but they will not give you any gains. They essentially take the money and lend it out in order to profit off of money that isn't even theirs. You don't have to be a bank to make money with it. You might begin earning money with cryptocurrencies by lending and getting cryptocurrency awards. Making additional money with your Bitcoin holdings is straightforward. You might be compensated for keeping Bitcoins in your Bitfinex wallet. The supported cryptocurrencies include a broad range of digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. As a result, the minimum deposit is low and there is no wait period. The bonuses are easily withdrawn to your Bitfinex wallet, after which you will be ready to proceed. Either you start leveraging your money in the same way that the top 1% does, or you start putting your money to work for you rather than hoarding it all for yourself. The fifth method is that we are entering the social media platform Steemit. It's also a great way to make money using cryptocurrencies. When you go to their website, you'll see that everyone contributes blog entries. Some individuals make $25, $39, and $12 every day, with the possibility of earning up to $100. They do this because they get compensated for producing a huge number of views on this blog piece or blog in general. So advertisers are willing to pay them to begin displaying something like this, which is advertising, in front of all these individuals who are viewing this blog post. Most people would remark, "Screw you, we're not going to pay you any of that money. You might simply become a writer on our platform and get a connection to your own personal blog." However, because you're assisting us in building this platform and gaining attention, why don't we simply pay you back what we're also making? It's similar to the YouTube concept in that you generate content and they give you a percentage of the ad income. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.